If you're building your online business, whether it's a course business, coaching program, affiliate site, or even an e-commerce store, you probably already know that having your own ebook can make a world of difference. Ebooks are incredibly versatile. You can use them as a lead magnet to attract your ideal customers or your ideal customer persona, give away valuable knowledge to build trust, or offer high-impact resources that serve your audience first, all before you ever ask for a sale. They're one of the most underrated tools in your digital toolbox. And over the years, I've personally created well over 100 ebooks and handouts. And they've powered just about everything I do online, from free resources to drive email signups, to supporting materials inside my courses, to quick guides to help my community take action fast. Ebooks have been at the center of it all. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use this tool to create an ebook for one of my masterclasses, where I teach people how to build their own online business based on the Value Pillars method. You'll see my step-by-step process, and I'll even show you how to grab a lifetime deal on this tool. And it means no monthly fees, no design headaches, and no outsourcing. Just unlimited ebooks for your business for the rest of your life. If that sounds good, let's jump behind my computer and I'll show you exactly how it works. And here's my account. I have a few more options here because I have upgraded my account. But if you go for the lifetime deal, which is not even $30, I think it's $27, which is incredible. Because if I have an ebook made for me on Fiverr or Upwork, it costs me at least $50, right? But this deal is incredible. And it feels almost stupid not to take this deal. New ebook. I'd like to create an ebook, drag and drop, or browse to import or paste URL. So you can also include, or you can use a URL to, for instance, a blog post. And this tool can turn that into an ebook for you. I am using this option, selecting browse. But now it has loaded the text and you can choose a template. And you have to keep in mind that I upgraded my account. So I have more than 100 different templates that I can use, which is incredible. Which template, which look and feel is most appealing to you? Or do you think is most appealing to your ideal customer persona? Which one would really pop out and fits your target audience? Let's see what this one looks like. Not a big fan. Let's try this one. Also not a big fan with the red and the gray. I'd like a more plain one. What you can do is search for theme. So digital marketing. And here are some templates that fit more with that style. And to be honest, this sub-selection is already better than most of the templates that I saw just now. Digital marketing, let's go for this one. I think this is a good one. I'm not editing anything out here. This is real time. Loading the text that I uploaded here. Here we go. Digital marketing. Taking this out. And let's first try the default template cover. Making this a little bit smaller so I can reach this bit here. This can go back now. I think that this can be more bold. I like the font just a lot. Let's see what happens if I make this white. The title of the ebook is here, and I want this to be included in the header. And you see that if you change the text in the header, it changes it on every one of these pages. I like to be consistent with my fonts, so I'm changing this into just as well. There we go. And again, if I change the font here, it also changes it on the other pages. And I can remove this. For now, for this example, I'm not going through all the text. We're just assuming that this text is okay. And here is the page break element. And if you drop that right before where the new page should be, you can see there page 3. If you click here on this bar and you repaginate, and now it's back on this page. Suggested image, we can get rid of this. And there's a page break needed here, just before page 4, and removing suggested image again, page break. Okay, so now we have the framework for the ebook. And what we're doing now is adding images. Let's see what it does with the suggested image from ChatGPT. Let's move to Midjourney. Assign post with arrows. Step 1, topic. Step 2, course. Step 3, first sale, showing a clear guided path. I do not have high hopes for this because Midjourney is not the best when it comes to text. Well, it's actually not too bad. Let's see. For this example, let's take this image. Let's just do this. I'll remove the suggested image. And here are some suggested images that you can include, right? So if you're not using Midjourney or any text-to-image generator, you can just take one of these images that are all included in this lifetime deal, by the way. Of course, you can also upload your own image. So I'm now uploading the Midjourney image, dragging this into the text or into the ebook. And now I can make it larger. I can make it smaller. I can change this into the background when I'm not doing that. Positioning, let's put this in the middle of the page. And the background is very white. You click on the page, background image or background color. And I'm changing it to background image. You can change where it is on the page, but you can also change the opacity. Adding an image here. So let's make the reasons a lot bigger and make them bold. It's 25. At this suggested image, a clock with the words "now is the time," replacing the numbers. That's really vague. Let's not do that. But let's see if there's an image that has something with a clock, because now is the time. Suggested image. Okay, don't really like that. So let's go for time represented by a clock counting down. High contrast. Nice. I like this a lot. Save image. What you can also do is change the background with some kind of shape or geometric pattern. Clicking on background, opacity, let's make that really light and move this image, bring to front. And the opacity, let's everywhere change that into 30, which is easy to do. This was 25 and bold. Let's add an image there and uploading this to the page. There we go. I've now uploaded this image, but here are so many images you can use. You don't need a Midjourney account, or you don't need any other image or text-to-image account. For instance, if I didn't create or just generated this image in Midjourney, let's go for chess piece. And here you can see so many other images that I didn't generate myself, but are just included in this tool. And I think that this image is, by the way, even better than the one that we generated. So let's remove this. Take one of these geometric shapes. You can also increase the complexity. Let's go for this one. And the opacity, move that back to 30. And we can also, of course, change the color if we want. This is the theme color, but of course you can change that into any color that you want. Let's see if we can also move this back. I'm right-clicking here and send it back. You can read the text better now. Okay, we have reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, reason 4. This is all included in the lifetime deal. But I'm looking for an impactful font, and I'm not using Impact itself, right? There's a font called Impact, but I don't really like it. But I want one that really pops. And we could use Anton, which is very much like Impact. I want those rules to really stand out. Let's go to Rowdies. There we go. That's nice. Let's change this all to Rowdies. And of course, at the end of the day, if you have a different brand color, you can change this as well. This is just the color that is included in the theme. But if you want to change the color here in the header and the footer, you can change that to your own style. So how you do that is you click on the header. Here is the color, and you can change that to whatever color you have. So let's make it dark blue. And the cool thing is that it then changes the color in every header. And if you want a matching footer, save the color of the header, and you go to the footer area and you change that color as well. And I'm changing this into white, so you can actually read it. And here's the navigation. So here are the actual pages. This makes more sense. We want to add an image here. Freedom matters more than money. Let's see what Midjourney does with that really cool title. This is more justice, not really related. And this one is nice, but also not really related. I like this one, but it's really generic. But for this example, it's okay. Uploading it. There we go. And now you can drag it into your page. Changing this into center. And now we have, you can look here on the right, now we have an ebook that is acceptable. You can use a little bit more color here and there. And let's take something that is acceptable as a background. So it should not be too noisy. It's way too much color. And I'm making this a lot lighter. Okay, download. The last page looks different because this is meant as your call to action. Click here to subscribe. Click here to do this. Click here to sign up for my course. There's another option here, which is really cool. Word Genie Chat. And it says here, get started by writing a task. We do not have anything on the last page yet for the call to action. So can you create 2 paragraphs of text for the end of my ebook, Start Your Own Business, as a clear call to action for people to sign up for my course. And here's the cool thing. This is now generated by WordGenie for the second paragraph here. And now the really cool thing is that this is a dynamic ebook. This is a digital ebook that you can send out to everyone who's interested and that identifies your ideal customer persona. You can drag the call to action right in here. So to learn more can be a link. You can also include a video. You can include a QR code, text field. This is just amazing, right? Everything that is in here. Import content. New page, page break, which we've been using all this time. You can embed a video, embed audio. WordGenie, can you create call to action for this product that is about, I think it's about 30 words, 30 words long, and urges people to take the next step and sign up. Ready to take the next step. Changing this into rowdies as well and learn more will be the call to action, making this stand out a bit better, making this orange. And I've included a link to the actual sales page of my course. The only thing I'm now doing is changing a few of the backgrounds into something that looks a bit more interesting. I am already in the background section. Sign up here. You need a laptop for that. So I'm changing the background into this image with the laptop. Let's see if I can change the opacity a little bit here. See what happens. Yeah, you can change that as well. So change this to 80%. Let's move that to 70 so you can see a little bit of the background there. This is really elegant, I would say. Change this one, background image, add background. This one and change background image, add background. This one and change this as well. Background image, add background. This one, background image, add background. Really, really nice. You can see here what it looks like now. It is an official, it's a full ebook. And now the magic happens. If I click publish, I have more options because I have upgraded, because I use this all the time. You can export as a PDF, depending on your upgrade. PDF is available to anyone. Then there is EPUB audiobook even. So there's an AI voice changing your text into actual MP3 audio. EPUB e-readers, export to HTML. And here is live ebook and there's Flipbook. Flipbook is really cool. Visitors who match your ideal customer persona. You will send them a PDF. So that's the most used option. And look at this. Here is a professional ebook that you can send to people who are likely to be interested in your course. And you can send them this to nudge them to the next step, which is to take you up on your offer when it comes to your course, masterclass, or whatever product or service that you offer. And the last thing I would like to show you is here is the ebook that we have created, cover and mockup creator. So to show people what you offer on your sales page or on your opt-in page, you can change this ebook into something that is tangible, that looks tangible. Look at this. Save this image. And this image you can use on your sales page. You can also change this into something else. Just an ebook, for instance. You can use this software for not even $30 for the rest of your life, which in my opinion is simply incredible. Okay. I hope this was helpful. If you want this deal for your own business as well, just click the link in the description. And I hope it serves you well. Thanks for watching. Bye.